Hello, this is a video of the making of my 35 cell 18650 power bank that I purchased from Aliexpress. I'll put a link here in the description or in the upper corner. So this is the main unit you get. It comes with 4 ports, 2 fast charge, 2 regular, lightning, a micro, and a type C input. I believe this is a 22.5 amp hour fast charger DIY section. Here's the inside, and you can see it's spring loaded, so it's not permanent. You don't have to spot weld anything, and it can come out. It just acts as one really big 3.6, 3.7 volt cell, and it uses 35 of them. Looks like 5 rows of 7. So it comes with this little LED channeling device. Comes with 3 of these small little cables, 1 lightning, 1 micro, 1 type C. Here is the cover with integrated LED panel light and the connector. And then here I have I've decided to use these LG MH1 18650 cells that I salvaged from a bunch of scooter packs that were about to be recycled. So I'm going to put all these in there.
Oh my God! Wow!
So prior to installing these batteries, I'm testing them out with a little tester here. And these are coming out to be around 3.67 volts. 3.87. 3.64. I mean, they're all sort of within a very reasonable range. When I put them into the case, since they are all hooked up in parallel, they will all sort of balance each other out over time slowly. So I'm not too worried as long as there's no huge major gap. So I'll check every one of these cells before I put them into the case here. Okay, so I've attached about 2 rows of batteries in here. So you have to be careful not to short positive negatives when you're inserting the positive on this side. But all the cells here have the insulation gasket on the positive end to provide extra separation in case of a short. And then you have to push it a bit more towards the circuit board. So I have to put some sort of foam on the side here so that it lines up with the center here. Otherwise it's a bit lopsided and it could short if it's not pressed in to the center here. If it's sort of in between, then that's a problem. So try to add a bit of spacer here at the back and then have push forward that way. Okay, so I've got 4 rows of 7 put in now, and it's just 1 row remaining. What I've noticed is that it tends to bulge out here. You see it's bed bending. So, but that should be corrected when you put the cover on, because it looks like it'll hold it in place and form the shape. So let's put the last set on. So this. Five. This one is a little bendy up here. There goes 6. And then the last one, 7. I realize that the foam needs to be a bit longer. The back here, I'll put that in this. I'll put that off camera. But you can see it. It's pretty much done. This part here is a little weak. That needs to be. That'll be fixed, I believe, if we put this on, or maybe not. Anyways, I don't think it's a big problem. I will put foam on the side here, though. So here it is. It's all plugged in, aligned properly. Time to put the cover on and hook up the LED panel. Make sure.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Fingers are too fat. My fingers are a little bit fat.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I managed to plug the light in and partially snap it in. It looks like it might be difficult to remove this cover should you ever decide to change the batteries out or anything. So I don't think this is something you can take batteries in and out of very often. It would have to be only once or twice, maybe 3 times or something. But by then, you know, it'll probably be a new technology that comes out. So snapping this in should remove the bulge here. If you snap it in now, you have to press down, squeeze it.
A few moments later.
Type C. Ooh, there you go, lights on. Those are different lighting modes if you press a button. There you go. If you hold it down, it turns off. Hold it down. Double tap it. Yeah, that's how you turn it on. And then you can adjust the different modes: flashing, off, or strobe SOS. Off. So you double tap to turn on, straight on. Press again for low. Press again for flashing. Press again for help. And press again for off. You can see the LCD here flashing at 75 to 100%. So it's nearly full. Let it go, and it's using up, looks like 12 volts, 1.5 amps, charging at 18 watts. So that's good. And that's the installation of the power 35 cell power bank charger with the integrated LED light.